Okay, let's take a look at Section 3, Activity 1. You're going to use Plate 3.1 on from the Resources Guide 3.1. And the first thing to do is to load line types. There's a video for that. And then you're going to do some work on this drawing. So I've opened up 3.1, Plate 3.1. And first thing I'm going to do is see if I've loaded the line types properly. So I'll type line types. And yes, indeed, I've got all of those: hidden 2, phantom 2, center 2, dash 2, and zigzag. I've got all those in there. And that's what you do at the very beginning of most drawings. Now, there are easier ways to do that, but then you don't get practice at it. So I'm showing you the laborious way first. Okay, so the next thing I'm supposed to do is it says I'm supposed to go to model space. So here I am in model space. Or I can go to a layout and go to model space. It doesn't matter which way I do it. I'm going to go to my model space down here. It says select all the main lines. There I go. Lower right to upper left. And use the properties command. So I can type prop or I can right click. Let me type properties. And it tells me that right now these colored are by the layer. They're on the 0 layer. The line type is by layer. And the layer is the 0 layer. And I want to override that. So I'm going to say it tells me to use the color as red. So I'll click on it there and set the color to red. And then I'll click on my line type and it says to make it zigzag. There it goes. Okay, and then activate paper space when I'm done. So it said, I guess it wanted me to be over here. But that's okay, I've got it. And then add an image to the workbook. And if you want to see what it looks like with some of the other ones, you can do that. Okay, then do a plot preview as we've done before. I'll go with my CAD to PDF and see bleed. I'll do my ACAD CTB and I'll do a quick preview and there it is. And then of course I can take a snip of that for my workbook. Get this out of the way so that my cursor doesn't show in the snip. There we go. So that is the rest of plate 3.1. And the purpose of this is to show you that you can do this work of making a line look like you want and treat it the way you want it to, line by line by line, using the properties box.